Is reality an illusion? This question has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. Have you ever questioned reality? Have you ever wondered if what you see, hear, and feel is truly real or just a figment of your imagination? What if everything we see and touch isn't real? What if our entire existence is nothing more than a sophisticated illusion, a digital construct designed to simulate reality? The simulation hypothesis proposes a mind-bending idea that our universe is not a physical entity, but rather a giant computer program. This theory suggests that everything around us, from the stars in the sky to the ground beneath our feet, is part of a complex simulation. Our universe is a giant computer program. Imagine a world where every atom, every particle is meticulously programmed to behave in a certain way, creating the illusion of a tangible reality. We are virtual beings, living in a digital world. Just like characters in a video game, we might be part of an elaborate simulation controlled by an advanced civilization or an artificial intelligence. This idea, once science fiction, is now a serious topic for philosophers and scientists. They debate the implications of such a reality, questioning the very nature of existence and consciousness. The simulation hypothesis challenges our most fundamental beliefs. It forces us to reconsider what we know about the universe and our place within it. It makes us question the nature of existence. Are we truly alive, or are we just lines of code, executing predetermined commands? Is our world just lines of code? Is everything we experience, from the warmth of the sun to the taste of food, just a series of programmed responses? Are our experiences, thoughts, and emotions just simulated processes? If so, what does that mean for our understanding of reality and our sense of self? The possibility, however unsettling, is captivating. It opens up a realm of possibilities, inviting us to explore the boundaries of our knowledge and imagination. Whether or not we live in a simulation, the very act of questioning our reality can lead to profound insights and discoveries. The idea of a simulated reality isn't new. Ancient philosophers like Plato pondered the nature of reality. They questioned if our senses deceive us. Plato's allegory of the cave explored the difference between perception and reality. Centuries later, René Descartes famously doubted everything he perceived. His phrase, "I think, therefore I am," highlighted the only certainty, our own consciousness. Today, the simulation hypothesis takes these philosophical questions to a new level using the language of computer science. Modern technology gives the simulation hypothesis new life. Computers create increasingly complex virtual worlds. We have simulations for weather, economics, and even entire cities. As computing power grows, could we simulate an entire universe? The idea seems far-fetched. Yet some scientists believe that an advanced civilization could have the computational power to simulate a universe. If so, we might be living in one of their creations. Quantum mechanics, the study of the very small, offers intriguing hints. It delves into the fundamental nature of reality, exploring the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. These particles, which make up everything around us, behave in ways that defy our everyday experiences and expectations. It reveals a strange and counterintuitive world. In this realm, particles can be in multiple places at once, and their properties are not fixed until they are observed. This unpredictability challenges our understanding of the universe. Particles exist in multiple states at once. This phenomenon, known as superposition, suggests that particles can hold multiple possibilities simultaneously. It's only when we measure them that they choose a state, collapsing into a single outcome. Information seems to travel faster than light. This is observed in quantum entanglement, where particles become interconnected in such a way that the state of one instantly influences the state of another, regardless of the distance separating them. This instantaneous connection hints at a deeper underlying structure of reality. These bizarre phenomena could be glitches in the simulation. Just as a computer simulation can experience errors or anomalies, the strange behaviors observed in quantum mechanics might be the result of underlying computational processes. Some physicists propose that the universe is fundamentally digital. They argue that the fabric of reality is composed of information, much like the binary code that runs our computers. This perspective shifts our understanding from a purely physical universe to one that is fundamentally informational. They suggest that information, not matter, is the basic building block of reality. This idea posits that what we perceive as physical objects are actually manifestations of underlying data processed and rendered by a cosmic computational system. This idea aligns with the simulation hypothesis, where information forms the fabric of the simulated universe. According to this hypothesis, our reality might be an advanced simulation created by a higher intelligence. The digital nature of the universe, as suggested by quantum mechanics, supports this intriguing possibility, inviting us to reconsider the true nature of our existence. The possibility of simulating a universe raises profound questions. Why would anyone build such a complex simulation? The answer might lie in understanding our own motivations for creating simulations. We create simulations for various reasons: to study complex systems, to predict the future, or simply for entertainment. Perhaps an advanced civilization uses simulations to study history, to understand consciousness, or even just for fun. If we are living in a simulation, who are its creators? Are they benevolent observers or indifferent programmers? The simulation hypothesis doesn't provide easy answers. It opens up a Pandora's box of possibilities. Perhaps they are beings beyond our comprehension. Or maybe they're long gone, leaving the simulation running on autopilot. The nature and motives of these hypothetical beings remain a mystery. The simulation hypothesis challenges our understanding of life and death. If we are virtual beings, what happens when we die? Does our code simply cease to exist, or is there a digital afterlife? The implications are staggering. Our actions in the simulation might have different consequences than we think. Free will itself could be an illusion. Our choice is predetermined by the simulation's code. The simulation hypothesis forces us to confront our deepest fears and anxieties about existence. If we are simulated, does it matter? The simulation hypothesis, whether true or not, has profound implications. It challenges our perception of reality, our place in the cosmos, and the meaning of life itself. But does it change anything? Some argue that if the simulation is perfect, then it's as real as any other reality. Others believe that knowing we are simulated would fundamentally change our values and behaviors. The debate continues, with no easy answers in sight. The search for glitches. Evidence of the simulation. Scientists are exploring ways to test the simulation hypothesis. Some propose looking for glitches in the fabric of reality. These could be inconsistencies in physical laws or unexpected patterns in cosmic radiation. However, detecting these glitches might be beyond our current technological capabilities. The simulation could be so advanced that any flaws are imperceptible to us. The simulation hypothesis is likely to remain a topic of intense debate. As technology advances, we might gain new insights into the nature of reality. Future simulations might become so sophisticated that they blur the line between virtual and real. The question of whether we live in a simulation might never have a definitive answer, but the very act of asking such a question pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and forces us to confront the vast unknown. Conclusion: living with the unknown. The simulation hypothesis is a mind-bending concept with no easy answers. It proposes that our reality, everything we perceive, might be an artificial construct, a sophisticated simulation created by an advanced civilization. This idea, while fascinating, also brings with it a multitude of questions and uncertainties. It challenges our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. Are we truly autonomous beings, or are we simply characters in a grand cosmic game? This hypothesis forces us to reconsider the nature of existence itself, pushing the boundaries of science, philosophy, and even spirituality. While we may never know for sure if we are living in a simulation, the possibility itself is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It opens up a realm of possibilities that stretch the imagination. What if our creators are observing us, studying our behaviors, or even guiding our development? The implications are profound and far-reaching. Ultimately, the simulation hypothesis reminds us of the vastness of the unknown. It serves as a powerful reminder that there is so much we have yet to discover and understand. The universe, with all its mysteries, is a place of endless wonder and intrigue. It encourages us to question our assumptions, to explore new possibilities, and to marvel at the mysteries that lie at the heart of existence. Whether or not we are living in a simulation, the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a journey that enriches our lives and expands our horizons. In the end, living with the unknown is not about finding definitive answers, but about embracing the journey of discovery and the endless quest for truth.